So now we're going to determine when a linear function is increasing or decreasing or constant. So, because a constant function is just linear with a zero slope. So let's take a look at these. Increasing, y goes up as x goes up. Or as x goes down, y goes down. Constant, as x increases, y stays the same. So let's describe the slopes of each of these and then make a conjecture based on increasing, decreasing, and compared to slope. This is a key idea in calculus. So, increasing function, what's the slope? We got a positive slope. How about a decreasing function? Well, we got a negative slope. Then a constant function, we have a zero slope. So the conjecture that you can make is that, increasing functions have a positive slope. Decreasing functions have a negative slope, and constant functions have a zero slope. And we'll go into detail as our graphs get curvier in exponential functions, which is the next topic. But this is where we are right now. So let's see what else we have here. So check out this position function below. So this is indicating movement of something. It's a piecewise function. So we got 3 different linear functions all combined together. Let's describe where this function is increasing, decreasing, or constant. So we'll just go from left to right. So this function is increasing because we have a positive slope from, let's say this goes on forever. So we'll say from negative infinity up until this -1 point. So, increasing, I'll just write it out. Increasing when x is less than or equal to, you could argue there aren't any closed circles or open circles on this graph, -1. All right, and then the next one is constant. This is when x is between -1 and 3. And then this function is decreasing right here because we have a negative slope. We're going down from x is greater than 3. And that's all you would need to do to describe where the function is increasing. I've mentioned before, if you don't like using these inequalities, you can use like bracket notation. That's always okay. So I'll just write that on the other side. So this increasing would be from negative infinity until -1 with a parenthesis, because this -1 we just decided that it wasn't included in the set. So constant then would be bracket -1 to 3 bracket because they're both included. And then decreasing will just be from 3 close bracket, open bracket because it's not included, to infinity. And infinity is always just a parenthesis because infinity is not a number. It's something that it approaches. It just goes on forever and ever. Yep. And that's how to describe where a function is increasing, decreasing, or constant given a position function. Soon we will talk about how to determine where a position function is increasing or decreasing when given like a velocity function. So we'll learn more about the relationship between position, velocity, and acceleration as we go. And this is it for now. So just email me if you have any questions or need help with anything at all.